So we have smartphones. Smartphones. What do you think is a smartphone? So a smartphone, these are internet-enabled phones that usually also provide personal information management functions such as a calendar, an address book, a calculator, and a notepad. So smartphones, these are internet-enabled phones. They can access internet from anywhere, from any place, at any time. So they are internet-enabled phones that usually also provide personal information management functions such as a calendar, an address book, a calculator, and a notepad. So next, PDAs or personal digital assistants. Personal digital assistants provide personal information management functions such as a calendar, an appointment book, an address book, and a calculator. So those are personal digital assistant. These ones provide personal information management functions. So they help actually. For example, we are saying such as a calendar. You create an appointment and say on this day I will be meeting this and this person. So you create an appointment or an address. So they help to inform you, to tell you that, alarm you that this day and this day you are having this program. And a calculator to calculate numbers or to do some calculations, accountings. Handheld computers, also called an ultra mobile PCs. An ultra mobile PCs is a computer small enough to fit in one hand. So we continue. Portable media players. Portable media players. A mobile device on which you can store, organize, and play digital media. So these are the ones, for example, these speakers where you just put in a flash and play your music. Digital cameras, a device that allows users to take pictures and store photographic images digitally instead of an traditional film. A device that allows users to take pictures and store photographed images digitally instead of on a traditional film. So digital cameras, we are like saying, for example, these capture images or take pictures at the same time, produce them in a soft copy or in a hard copy. So they are saying that they are somehow different from traditional films, whereby here you would first go to the process of getting out the image. These digital cameras, they are somehow faster and automatic in nature. They produce at the same time, they capture or take the picture at the same time, produce the pictures, the current cameras people use during photography. So if we continue and talk about the gaming consoles, a mobile computing device designed for single player or multiplayer video games. These are computers which are designed for gamings. These include Microsoft's Xbox 360. So that machine, that computer, Nintendo's Wii, and Sony's PlayStation 3. So these computers are used for gamings or to play games. They are also handheld gaming consoles that are small enough to fit in one hand, making it more portable than the standard game consoles. Two popular models are Nintendo's DC Lite and Sony's PlayStation Portable. So those are the gaming consoles. So we are having servers. Servers control access to the hardware, software, and other resources on a network and provide a centralized storage area for programs, data, and information. Control access the hardware, software, and other resources on a network and provide a centralized storage area for programs, data, and information. Those are the servers. We can continue to say that they can support from 2 to several thousands connected computers at a given time. So servers can support 2 or more. So that is why we are even extending to several thousands computers that are connected to it at a given time. So we can also say that servers can access information from other servers. So that is why here I gave an example when I was explaining them up there. I said that an example, we are having a bank. A bank has branches, and branches have other branches. So you find that the main bank has its server that is controlling servers on the branch server, and that is continuing to control the servers on the next branches. So that is why you are saying that servers can access information. Servers can access information. Servers can access information from other servers, and personal computers can access information from servers as well. So hoping that one is got very well. Let's move on. Mainframes. Mainframes, large, expensive, powerful computers that can handle hundreds or thousands of connected users simultaneously. Large, expensive, powerful computers that can handle hundreds or thousands of connected users simultaneously. Those are the mainframe computers. They store tremendous amounts of data. They store tremendous, meaning that they store large amounts of data. Most major corporations use mainframes for business activities. Most major corporations use mainframes for business activities. Mainframes can act as servers on a network. Mainframes can act as servers on a network. So if you look at them, it means that these mainframe computers, for them, are the most computers that were used by corporations. So we are talking about that they are mostly used by corporations. So use them for business activities, because for them actually they can act as servers on a network, meaning that they can even store more and large amounts of information. So being expensive, it is the reason why actually nowadays people opt to go for servers. So let's continue. Supercomputers are the fastest, most powerful computers, and also the most expensive. So here we are trying to see that the more their capacity, the more the more actually the work they do, or the backlog they run, the more the expensive it is. So supercomputers are the fastest, most powerful computers, and also the most expensive computers. Mm. The fastest supercomputers are capable of processing more than 1 quadrillion instructions per second. So meaning that for these ones, they are even more faster than mainframes computers. So because here we are saying that they can even process quadrillion instructions per second, usually weighing over 100 tons. Stores 20,000 more times the amount of data of an average desktop computer, meaning that you need 20,000 desktop computers to have one supercomputer. Okay, let's continue. So we are having embedded computers. Embedded computers are special purpose computers that function as a component in a larger product. Special purpose computers that function as a component in a larger product. Embedded computers. They are everywhere around the house. So we have telephones, televisions, cameras, video recorders, the car, and that one. So in simple, we say that these are computers that function as a component in a larger. For example, let's say that I'm having my car, and inside my car I'm playing music using a music player. So this player is acting as a computer embedded in, or a computer which is existing within another computer, which is a car. So that is what we are trying to explain here. Or let's say that I'm having my headphones, and these headphones, I am using my computer to play music, and I'm listening the music through my headset. So it means that headsets are embedded to my computer. So I think this one I've explained it very well. So let's continue. Elements of an information system. So elements of an information system. Elements of an information system. Generating information from a computer requires hardware, software, data, people, procedures. So we have to look at each element in detail. So generating information from a computer requires hardware. You need hardware to to get information. You need software to process. You need data that is being collected. You need people, the users, and you need the procedures, which are the instructions. So elements of an information system.